Primetime news this evening. Chief Justice rules secret recordings among alleged gang members can be admitted into evidence. What led to the Brownstown court fire? High-level probe underway. And cracked concrete. A new Primetime News in Focus special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what's been your experience walking on sidewalks in the corporate area? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.